Hello my PC students. This video will now take you through working with calculating lawn services. So let's go to File and let's go to Open and go to Browse, and now go to your classes drive, go to PC, go to Teaching Documents, and open up the one called Project 2. Here it is, XX Project 2 Lawn Services. Open. Alright, so first of all, let's save it. So let's go File, Save As, and now go to Browse, and you're going to go to your folder. You're going to go to Print Com, go to Excel. Check your address bar, make sure you're in Excel, and then click in the file name box, press Home, put in your name and the current date for you, and click on Save. Alright, so here we have that you charge for labor, you charge $20 an hour. Seed is $5.75 per pound, fertilizer $3.25 per pound, weed eater $9.75 per gallon, the truck is $5.50 per trip, and disposal is $5.75 per cubic yard. Alright, so here's the number of units. So how much will seeding cost? Alright, you have 8 units and times your cost, $20 an hour. So press enter, and that's $160. Alright, so grab your fill handle and drag down. Alright, now this time your lawn care you would have equals, and you've got $20 an hour times your number of units, 3.5 units, and you would have $70 for lawn care, and then drag it down. And the same thing here for cleanup. You have $20, so equals $20 an hour, and you have 6 units. Alright, and press enter, and you got $120 and drag down. Okay, so we want to have the total cost here. So the cost here would be Alt equals, and then I'm just going to copy this, go Control C and go Control V and go Control V. So there's my total cost for seeding, my total cost for lawn care, and my total cost for cleanup. Now I make a profit of 25%. So I want to calculate my profit, so equals my cost times, or what I'm going to charge people, times my profit of 25%. And 25% needs to be absolute. It's because I make 25% on my seeding and 25% on lawn care and 25% on cleanup. Alright, so I'm going to copy this and paste it, and I'm going to copy this and paste it. Alright, so my total charge that I'll charge the client then for seeding would be equals sum. So for seeding I would charge, whoa, don't want to be there, hold on, I got to charge the total. I've already added that. So I want my total cost and my profit, and comes to $290, which is right. I'm going to go Control C, Control V, and Control V. Alright, I don't want some of those dollar signs repeating, so I'm going to go to my Format Painter and paint this out, and paint these ones out, and paint this one out. So now you should be able to see your dollar sign at the beginning of the column, and then when we have a total cost, total cost, total cost, and your profit and your charge for service. Alright, go Control S to save, and I should have went to View, Zoom, and I'll put it on 140. Okay, and there you can see all your values. Alright, so we've done all the things that we need to do here. So now it asks us to copy the whole thing. So remember, click in cell A1, hold down your Control and Shift keys and press the End key, END. And it should all be selected, and you want to go Control C. And now go to Sheet 2, click in cell A1, go Control V. Alright, and we want to go to Zoom and go to Custom and put in 140. Alright, so you can see everything here. That's good. Alright, now the first sheet was supposed to be called Original Values, and the second sheet was called Revised Values. Alright, and now we want to group the two sheets. I want to go back to the original sheets. Here's our lawn and garden service. Alright, I'm going to hold down my shift key and click on the revised values. Alright, so we want to go up here to A1, hold down the shift key and click in I1. And you want to go to your home tab, merge and center, pick a color that you like, pick a light fill, make sure it's light, and make it about size 20. And let's say bold and italics, and let's make your row height down so that you can see it, and use your center. Alright, take your grouping off, and this time we're going to change our values. So here we're going to put in 22, here we want to put in 6.75, and then we want to put in 4.25, and then we want to put in 10.75, and 6.5, and 6.75. And our profit is going to be 30%, not 25. Alright, so now if you take a look here, and I widen the column, and widen this column, and this one, and this one, you can see now that I have 30%. I changed it. You see all the values, and now all the amounts automatically changed. You didn't have to do anything there. Alright, so that's what we wanted there. So click on your spreadsheet somewhere, go Control S to save, and now I'm not going to go into headers and footers. You can group the two sheets and do your headers and footers. So I'll stop there.